Walking home in the rain. Rainy, rainy day. Rainy Friday. It's like 6:40 p.m. Look how dark it is, dude. Oh, there's Quebec over there, across the river. You can see the mountains. Quebecois. Zoom. It won't zoom. There we go. My camera sucks, so Ottawa River, Quebec on the other side with the mountains above. Okay, I'm getting really wet. Let's go. Zoom out. Out. There we go. Time to go home. Oh my god, it's raining even more now. I might have to put my phone away. I probably need my umbrella. But I'm almost home. I don't want to get the umbrella all wet and then deal with a wet umbrella in my apartment. If I walk much faster, I'll fall down this freaking hill. Oh. My apartment building is down at the corner here. Woo-wee. I was walking right in the freaking stream. It's flowing down. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. I don't know why that just came into my head. I'm all wet. I gotta slow down or I'm gonna fall. Seriously. Ooh, baby. Hey, honey. I'm home. Ooh. Okay. I'm on dry land. Ooh. Yeah, she's raining. When I left, it was barely dripping. Like it was super wet. It had been pouring. But when I left, it was just drizzling, just a little drip. Little drip. Oh wait, there was something I thought of the other day. The something drip. The snip lip drip. The upper lip. Oh! Oh yeah. I said, you gotta hate that upper lip drip. You know, the upper lip drip. Does anybody know what I'm talking about? Okay, it's seriously not a drip, but it's probably just moist or something, or yeah, moist or damp. But the upper lip drip, you know what I mean? Anybody know? Anybody know what that upper lip drip is? Ooh. Oh, my garden, it's dead. It died. I just didn't take care of it for a couple of months, so it's pretty dead. Stupid me. It's really pouring. Yeah, I'm gonna start this video over. New one.